Oh no.
Gosh, I'm starving. I can't wait till my food is finally served. Wait a second. Isn't it mine? Oh, of course, everything tasty goes to the other table. Excuse me, miss. Oh, there she goes, off again. That's it. That's my order. Jesus Christ, why is she passing me by again? You've got to be kidding me. Hey, lady, where's my food? Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. It's gonna be fantastic, delicious, tasteful. Trash. What on earth is this? Don't even try to convince me that that's some kind of house favourite. You know what? I'll take it away with me, and you'll see my review of the burger place online. If you want something to be done good, do it yourself. You might not believe me, but I'm going to cook a delicious snack using just 3 ingredients: oil, toasted bread, and chocolate. Watch and learn. Take a piece of your toasted bread and break your favourite chocolate into small pieces. Then put the chocolate on the bread and cover it so that it's shaped like a rectangle. Then take a glass and press it onto the bread, forming a pie. Well done! After that, put your pies into a pan and put some oil in to cover them. In this case, your pies won't get burnt. Fresh and hot! Jack chose plain milk chocolate, but you can experiment with different flavours. Delicious! We don't need all these restaurants, do we? Oh, maybe I should offer myself as a chef there. What do you think? Birthday parties are a great reason to get together with close friends, to dance and have fun. All eyes are on Jack today though, and he's not gonna stop rocking. But a couple of the guests seem to be up to something. I wonder, what are they whispering about? Though Jack didn't notice a thing, he's so into his birthday mood that he doesn't care about what's going on around him. However, it's all for the best though, because these girls are discussing a B-Day surprise for their best friend. Ellie's in charge of drinks and Nora is in charge of the cake. Ellie, can you hold the cake please? Oh no! Nora, what have you done? What have you done, Ellie? Okay, alright, maybe we can fix it somehow. Let's put it back into shape. Not that bad, really? Who am I kidding? It's a catastrophe. Man up, Nora. You check on him. Maybe we'll find something together to save this party. Any luck? Not yet. Me either. Nora, I found something. Mia, let's go. We need your help in the kitchen. What if we were to tell you that you can make a super easy cake of any shape you'd like? Just take a pack of muffins with no topping on them and cover them completely with thick cream. Use cream of different colours to make your cake more detailed. Have you already guessed who this cake is? If you're still thinking, we'll give you a hint. It's yellow, has black ear tips, and it's super cute. That's right, the famous Pikachu. Use a spatula to make the cream on the cheeks, eyes, and ears. And don't forget to put small white candy dots to make the eyes look more shiny. Oh, poor Jack. He stayed all alone. Why did all the guests suddenly shut themselves in the kitchen and don't want to spend time with him? Wait a sec. It seems there's a Pokémon somewhere near here. Let's find out. Do you guys think Jack's gonna like it? For sure he is. Happy birthday, Jack.
Happy birthday!
My sister and I decided to go jogging often, and today's the first time that we went jogging together. Are you ready, sis? Let's go! Wow, jogging made me feel so energized. Yeah, right, energetic. I'm so exhausted, but I know what can help me right now. Hey, put it back. We're healthy now. Okay. Oh, I've remembered about another yummy thing. That's what I need after a hard day's training. Don't you dare, Mia! Deal is a deal! Well, maybe I'll have this, at least. A banana. Well, yeah, good choice. That's healthy. You're so naive, dear sister. It's not necessary to be as sneaky as Mia making this sweet, though. It's fun, if you're the only one who knows that you're actually eating a dessert. Just cut the banana in half. Make a hole in the middle with a straw and fill it with Nutella or melted chocolate. Stuffing banana is done. Nom, 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 nom. Hey, Mia, is it chocolate on your face? No. Okay, whatever. Everyone loves to eat in class as soon as the teacher has left the room. Look at all these guys. They're real foodies, especially Jack. Wow, man. Is that your small snack you picked up for school? Who can watch how he's scooping that Nutella out without drooling? Come here, yummy thing. Wow, what just happened? Mia can't believe her eyes. That must be a hallucination. Okay, that was delicious. It's time for another one. Maybe Jack has iron deficiency if he likes to eat cutlery so much. That's so good. Oh my gosh, what's going on here? Come on, girls, help yourself. That's pretty strange. So what is Jack's secret? The truth is much more simple than you think. First, Jack took a bowl of white chocolate chips. Second, he melted them in the microwave. Third, he added grey food colouring to make it look more like steel and mixed it thoroughly. Then Jack poured the chocolate into a plastic form. He chose a wrench to prank his classmates, but you can experiment with any shape you like, any way you like. After spending some time inside a fridge, your chocolate prank food is set and ready. Add some edible silver pigment to make it even more shiny, like real steel. And you thought they were real? Lames. I can't believe Jack turned us around his finger so easily. I'm going to take revenge on him. I know. So Jack, if you like sweets so much, try this. This muffin's specially for you. I hope you enjoy it, since I added a lot of whipped cream on the top. Bon appetit. Interesting. Let's see if he notices something. Hey Jack, you don't give up on a muffin, do you? Sure, Mia. Thanks. Take this, Jack. Just look at you. Oh, it's such a tough day. Foggy head, faded thoughts, and totally absent-minded. And there's still so many things to do. Oh, I hate school, giving us so much homework. Are they kidding? Wait, what was that? Is it just me, or have I done something wrong? Last thing I need is to catch a cold. My feet are freezing. There we go. What? Gosh, get yourself together, Nora. Phew, I hope shopping was my last duty for today. I'm so scattered. It's a miracle I didn't get hit by a car while coming back home. Finally, I can eat an ice cream in peace. Come on, open up. What the? My God, it's melted. But if I left the ice cream on the table, then what did I put in the fridge? Oh, no. My soda. Though it's a nice idea. You can make soda ice pops so easily. Put gummy bears or sweets or berries in an ice cream tray and pour in your favourite soda. Put your dessert in the freezer for a while and then enjoy your icy snack. So refreshing. I like it. I'd better get some more supplies to make those tasty things. Phew, another trip to the shop. Totally worth it. Let's see how many of them I can fit in my fridge. Ow! Don't fall. I can't. Don't. Oh. What is your favourite food, guys? Let us know in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. Bon appétit!